Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving of CMA Foundation December 24 question paper related to business mathematics and statistics. This is part 5. Question number 19. The condition required for maximization of a function f of x is. Here we need not do any calculations. It is straight answer. So first derivative should be 0 and the second derivative should be less than 0. So that means answer is first derivative is 0, f dash of x is 0, f double dash of x should be less than 0. So the answer is B, option B. Let us move on to the next one. If a by b to the power of x minus 1 divided by b by a to the power of x minus 3, then the value of x is what? So we can rewrite this as a by b to the power of x minus 1. Here in the second part, that is in the right hand side, if we inverse it, a by b, then what will happen? The power's sign will change. So 3 minus x it will become. Now we can equate the indices. So x minus 1 is 3 minus x. We can bring minus x from the right to left. It becomes positive x. Take that negative one that side. So 3 plus x, which will be the 2x equal to 4, and that means x is equal to 2. So that is option D will be the right option for us. Next, in pie diagram, 1% is equal to what? Pie diagram is a circular diagram. Total degree will be 360. Here it is 1%. So 1 divided by 100 into 360 degrees. That will give us 3.6 degrees. So that is our option C. Let us move on to the next one. The data collected on religion from the census reports. As it is, census reports are primary data, but here the data is collected from the census reports. Means already census report is available, government has collected. From there, we are collecting some more information, so it becomes a secondary data. That will be the solution for this. Let's proceed with the next question. A variable which can take any value in a specified interval on a real line is called, it is clear, it is continuous variable. So answer is option A. Then the next one, the frequency density of a class and total frequency of a group frequency distribution with equal class width are 17 and 204 respectively. The width of the class is what? So here we will be using a formula which is class width equal to total frequency divided by frequency density. That will be 204 divided by 17, and which will be 12. So option D is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. Here, if the mean of 7, n plus 3, 10, n minus 3, and n minus 5 is 15, means totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations. So arithmetic mean is sum of all the observations. So 7 plus n plus 3 plus 10 plus n minus 3 plus n minus 15. Whole thing divided by 5 observations. So 5. This is given as 15. So cross multiplying, we get 75 is equal to 7 plus 10, it is 17. Then n, it is 3n. This 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. Then minus 15 we have. Minus 3. And this is not 15, it is 5, sorry. This is 5. So 17 minus 5. So that means which is equal to 12 plus 3n. That means 75 minus 12 is equal to 3n, or 63 equal to 3n, which means n is 21. So that will be the solution. Option D will be the right option. Next, the median of numbers 21, 12, 49, 37, 88, 46, 74, 63, 55 is what? So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first let us arrange it in order. So least number is 12. Next least is 21, then 37, then 46, then 55, then 63, then 74, finally 88. So totally there are 21, 12, 21, 37, 46. I left 49, sorry. One more is 49. So totally there are 9 observations, which is odd. So center value, which means median is 49. That will be the central middlemost value. That will be the median. Let us move on to the next one. The quartile deviation of the numbers 8, 18, 12, 22, 15, 30, 5, 4, 44 is what? So first let us rearrange the numbers. It is 5 least, next is 12, then 15, then 18, then 22, then 30, then 44. So quartile 1 will be 1/4 of n plus 1th value. So here n is 7 observations are there. So that means this is 1/4 times 7 plus 1th value. So 8/4, which is second value. Then next one, Q3 will be 3/4 of n plus 1th value. And that will be second value already we found for 1/4. So here 3/4 means it is sixth value. Sixth value is 30. So therefore QD, which is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, will be 30 minus second value. Sorry, I didn't write that. Second value is 12. So 30 minus 12 divided by 2, which means our QD is 18/2. So it is 9. So that will be the solution for this. We will continue in our next video the balance questions.